Hello my little friends, please start learning numbers from Oneto 10. 1. You can see only one dog moving his tail and head. 2. You can see two happy bunnies moving their ears. 3. You can see three little chickens walking together. 4. You can see four ostriches running fast. 5. You can see five small penguins flapping their wings. 6. Do you see six owls twisting and dancing? 7. Do you see seven baby deers looking everywhere? 8. You can see 8 foxes resting lying on floor. 9. You can see 9 hungry teddy bears eating bamboo. 10. You can see 10 rats moving their heads searching for cheese bread. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel. Bye.